Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to delete or remove video effects or audio effects from all clips. For example, if you upload effects to your video clip or audio clip that we can remove at one shot. Example, I just want to show, I want to add effect. So going to effects and here choosing Gaussian blur. So I'm going to click and drag it here. I'm going to increase the blurriness. Here you can see the blurriness is applied here. If you want to apply the effect to all the video clips, so we need to choose the video clip which we have played and then right click. It will be under effect controls and we need to copy. Now I'm going to select this by holding shift key, select it and go to edit and then paste it. I think the effect is applied to all the video clips. And for audio tracks, I'm going to apply the denoise. Okay, I'm going to apply it for the single clip. So denoise is applied. You can see this information denoise, but remaining audio clips doesn't have that, but I'm going to copy it. So choosing the audio track and going to copy and now selecting all the audio tracks, or even you can use shift key to select the audio tracks. And then go to edit and paste it, or simply you can give Control V. So now the effect is applied for this particular audio track. Now if you want to remove all the effect at one shot, here you can choose all the video tracks and audio tracks and then right click and go to remove attributes. So here you can choose what and all effects you want to remove. For example, under video attribute, right, I want to keep the motion, opacity and time remapping. I just want to remove only Gaussian blur from all video clips. So it should be a tick mark. Okay. And under volume, right, I'm going to choose only denoise effect. I'm going to remove from all audio tracks. So giving OK. So everything is successfully removed. Now I'm going to verify. See, this Gaussian blur is removed on this all tracks. You can see the information from this effect controls tab. So even for audio, there is no denoise effect here because all effects are removed. I'm going to give Control is that if you want to remove the effect for the particular video clips, just choose video clip and hold shift key to select another video clip or even audio tracks. Then right click, go to remove attributes and uncheck the box which you don't want and check the box which you want to remove. Even in the denoise sections, you can do the same and gonna give OK. Super cool. Now effects is removed for the particular videos. This video will have the Gaussian blur, but this one would not have. Again, going to give Control Z, selecting only video clips, right click, remove attributes, uncheck the box which you don't want and leave the effect which you want to remove and give OK. Now it's successfully removed. Effect Controls tab doesn't have any data of Gaussian blur effect. That's it friends. This is the way you can remove the effect for all video clips or all audio tracks. That's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks and video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.